Hello friends, welcome to another explosive video where we are going to talk about jobs that I've mentioned before. And yes, people have actually been selected for them. Today, I'm back again with some new jobs, updated rules, and a fresh salary structure. Yes friends, today we're talking about Alignerr AI jobs. If you have the right mindset, this could be a golden opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your home. Alignerr is a platform that offers services like content writing, proofreading, research, and educational support. And they constantly need professionals who can deliver quality work for their clients. Meaning, if your English is decent, you enjoy doing research, and you have a love filled relationship with your laptop, then, bro, this opportunity is just for you. So let's not waste any more time and take advantage of this golden chance together. Hello, friends. I'm your brother Naveen, and you're watching the Career Circuit channel. Friends, first of all, you need to go to the link given in the description. Now you can clearly see it says earn money by sharing your expertise. That means if you're from coding, engineering, business, mathematics, law, medicine, or science domains, there's work for you. But also, those who have passed 12th grade or hold a bachelor's degree will also find a range of jobs here. You can complete projects in your native language and earn well. To apply, scroll down. Click on View All Roles. Now all the jobs are in front of you. You can see that all jobs are offering $150 per hour. Use the filter option to select jobs based on your interest and domain. For example, let me search for Hindi. Now jobs for Hindi writers have appeared. Click on View Jobs to check the full details. Then click on Apply. Click I agree, then Continue, then Accept. Fill in some basic details and complete your profile. Then select your country. Now you'll have to take assessments based on the domain or subject you selected. I've shared the answers for Hindi and English assessment tests on my Telegram group. You can use that to help you qualify. Below, you can see the earnings from the projects you complete will be shown here. Let me share another fun job for my subscribers. If you enjoy helping children or teaching without showing your face, you can become an academic writer here where you'll be preparing assignments, theses, or research papers for students. And the most exciting part, your income here is based on a per project or per page basis, which means if you put in effort, you can earn anywhere from 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. Yes, one thing to keep in mind, quality is king. If you deliver high quality work on time, clients will keep coming back and you'll be saying, it's raining money. So friends, whether you're a college student, someone looking for a work from home job, or just want to try something new part-time, definitely explore platforms like Alignerr. If you liked the video, smash that like button and yes, comment below and let me know. Would you like to try out such freelancing jobs? See you in the next video. Until then, keep working, keep learning, and stay connected with Career Circuit.